Hi! In front of me is Nokia 230 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access menu and go into settings. In them, select connectivity, pick Bluetooth, and then select Bluetooth again. Over here, you need to enable it if it's not already on. And when you're ready, tap on Paired. Then select Pair with New Device. Click on More. And wait for available ones to show up. You need to click on the chosen one. Wait for Add option to appear. Click and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, select one of your connected ones. Tap on Options on the left. Pick Delete Pairing and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!